Now we got our first Fox 3. Second, come on, let's get a couple more. 3, 4. When I fire 4 AMRAMs like that, you gotta make it personal. You gotta be like, these are the 4 dudes who dated my sister and didn't treat her right. You're gone. So with those 4 AMRAMs headed down range, the one critique I would give this pilot is get your radar scope down 1 range. It's on an 80 scope now, but the contacts are all on the bottom half of that scope. So go ahead, range down so you can see all the contacts without it being kind of bunched up there towards the bottom. And that's just something as a fighter pilot I would typically forget because you're in the heat of the moment. Just shot out 4 Fox 3s. Let's see how it keeps going.